Hello everyone, my name is Kiran Alfiansa. My major is accounting. I want to explain module 13, 14, and 15. Module 13, Stock Market. The stock market refers to public market that exists for using, buying, and selling stock that trade on a stock exchange or over the counter. Stock, also known as equities, represent fractional ownership in a company. And the stock market is a place where investors can buy and sell ownership of such investable assets. An efficiently functional stock market is considered critical to economic development as it gives companies the ability to quickly access capital from the public. How stocks are traded, exchange, and OTC. Although the vast majority of stocks are traded on exchange, some stocks are traded over the counter, where buyers and sellers of stock commonly trade through a dealer or market maker, who specifically deals with the stock. OTC stock are stock that do not meet the minimum price or other requirement for being listed on exchange. OTC stock are not subject to the same public reporting regulation as stock relation on exchange. So it is not easy for investor to avoid reliable information on the companies using such stock. Stock in the OTC market are typically much more thinly traded the exchange trade stock, which means the investor often must deal with large spread between bid and ask price for an OTC stock in contract exchange. Trade stock are much more liquid with relatively small bid-ask spread. Analyzing stock price to earning ratio, the ratio of a company stock price in relation to its EPS. A higher P or E rational indicator the investor are willing to pay higher prices per share for the company stock because they expect the company to grow and the stock price to rise. Debt to equity ratio. This is a fundamental metric of a company financial stable as it shows what percentage of a company operation are being funded by debt compared to what percentage are being funded by equity investor. A lower debt to equity ratio indicating primary funding from investor in preferable. Return on equity ratio. The return of equity ratio is considered a good indicator of a company growth potential, as it shows the company net income relative to the total equity investment in the company. Profit margin. There are several profit margin rationale that investors may consider, including operating profit margin and the net profit margin. The advantage of looking at profit margin instead of the of just an absolute dollar profit figure is that it shows what a company percentage profitability is. Two basic approaches to stock market investing. Value investor typically invest in established companies that have solid profitability over a long period of time and might offer regular dividend income. Value investing is more focused on avoiding risk than growth investing is. Although value investors do seek to buy stock when they consider the stock price to be an undervalued bargain. Growth investors seek out companies with exceptionally high growth potential, hoping to realize maximum appreciation in share price. They are usually less concerned with dividend income and are more willing to risk investing in relatively young companies. Technology stocks, because of their high growth potential, are often favored by growth investors. Next, Module 14, Reading Comprehension. Number 1, Globalization, Grammar and Structure. The structure of the simple sentence, finite and non-finite verbs. Word class terminology: nouns, verb, adjective, adverb, propositions. Specialist lexis, the language of globalization. Expanding internationally, grow as you go. Large companies usually take advantage of the enormous potential of international markets, the simple budget for the expansion, and spend the necessary sums to build the infrastructure to support future revenue. Entrepreneurs, on the other hand, have limited resources, few connections, and tight budget. When they go to global, they need to be confident that they are doing the right thing. They also need to believe and respect one guiding principle: grow as you go. In other words, you must finance global expansion as global revenue comes in and not before. News like this called there is a lot of entrepreneurs. Why go global at all? One reason for many entrepreneurs is that they must. 3 years after the founding of our company's Evolution Technology International, this day, entrepreneur companies are more likely to be selling products used across geographic boundaries. By entering international market, even very small companies can increase revenue significantly, as much as 50% can come from international market. Getting started. When ETI decided to enter the global area, we quickly decided to start in Europe. As a rule, small companies should select a first priority region and focus on building operations there, rather than expanding into all regions at once. Europa was a good choice for ETI, as it is very large and technology sophisticated. In addition, customers in Europa request the least amount of adjustment to ETI software, direct or distributor, with both domestic and local manager in place. A company must then decide whether to do business directly in a given country or the work through distributor. Entrepreneur, phonic transit and means Not a person who makes money by starting or running business, especially when this involves taking financial risk. Entrepreneurial, phonetic, transit, and meaning adjective of are pertaining to an entrepreneur characterized by initiative and risk. Other interesting word and expression profit and loss responsibility accounting. Next, module 15. The definition of management accounting. Institute of Management Accounting defined management accounting. Management accounting is a profession that involves partnering in management decision making, devising planning and performance management system, and providing expertise in financial reported and control to assess management in the formulation and implementation of an organization strategy. The American Institute of Certified Public Accountants states that management accounting as practice extends to the following three R's: management, strategic management, advising the role of the management accountant as a strategic partner in the organization; performance management, developing the practice of business decision making and managing the performance of the organization; risk management, contributing to framework and practice for identifying, measuring, managing, and reporting risk to the achievement of the objective of the organization. The globalization of management accounting. With the emergence of globalization, more and more companies have started going global by undertaking business activities across their national frontiers. The market is becoming increasingly global and competition becomes fierce more than ever. Coping with the intense computational costs for strategy, position, commercial enterprise, the context in which accountants operate throughout complete revolves. As business activities go global, trade transactions become voluminous and complex to account for. However, with advance in technology, more innovative software and other tools are being developed to assess the accounting to simple and easily account for transactions more than ever. It is clear that today business and environment cannot operate without technology. Technology advancement is having more effect and efficient improvement on the way business are operated did with increased automation of business process. The role of the accountants. The role of management accountants can be seen as parallel with the market circumstance from only providing information for the purpose of internal business activity. It already moves toward creating value demanded by customers and other stakeholders. More, Moreover, management accountants nowadays have more responsibilities than before as a result of decentralization and delegation of authority. Likewise, management accountants play a vital role to develop and implement fraud prevention and internal control system within the organization. As this paper method earlies that the management accountant report to the vice president of various operations. Their reporting cover extent, pattern, and cause of fraud. An overview of risk management, fraud prevention, identifying fraud, and responding to fraud can be all issued. Seek public perception toward the accountant. Accounting has evolved to its present status as a profession, thus meeting the needs for measuring economic and financial activity and communicating this information to the society. Society is now demanding infor- information from organization. Accountant must communicate the needed ecology information to the interest personnel in order to continue to receive professional support from society. Management accounting has played a significant role in organization even from this is supported by research. Management accounting is seen as information provided for internal business process, management planning and control, resource management, and creation of value through effectively used materials. That's all I can say. Thank you.